Hi, we are from At Home Tuition. In this video, we are going to see the associative property of rational numbers. The first associative property is associative property of addition. Associative property of addition of rational numbers states that suppose A, B and C are rational numbers, then for addition A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. We'll check this property with an example. So consider three rational numbers, A as 1 by 2 and B as 2 by 3 and C as minus 1 by 6. So we'll check our left hand side first. So A plus B plus C, so which is equal to 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3 plus minus 1 by 6. So first we'll add B plus C. So to make the denominator common, we are multiplying B value with 2 on the numerator and 2 on the denominator. So 2 times 2 divided by 3 times 2. That is 2 times 2 will become 4 and 3 times 2 will become 6. So now next this plus times minus will become minus. So that is minus 1 divided by 6. Now the denominator 6 is common. So we are taking out and we are subtracting the numerator, that is 4 minus 1. So we'll get 3 divided by 6. So now we are adding this B plus C with A, that is 1 by 2. So now to make again the denominator common, we are taking the LCM. That is we are multiplying this 1 by 2 with 3 in the numerator and 3 in the denominator. So 1 times 3 divided by 2 times 3. So 1 times 3 is 3 and 2 times 3 is 6. So now the denominator 6 is common. So we are adding the numerator. So 3 plus 3 divided by 6. So 3 plus 3 is 6 divided by 6, that is 1. So this is A plus B plus C. Now we'll see our right hand side, that is A plus B plus C. So now first we are adding A plus B, then we are again adding with the C, that is minus 1 by 6. Now, so to make the common denominator, we are taking LCM for A and B. So that is we are multiplying A with 3 in the numerator and 3 in the denominator. So 1 times 3 divided by 2 times 3. And to make the B denominator common, we are multiplying with 2 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator. So 2 times 2 divided by 3 times 2. So 1 times 3 is 3 divided by 3 times 2 is 6. And 2 times 2 is 4 divided by 3 times 2 is 6. So 3 by 6 plus 4 by 6. So the denominator 6 is common. So we are taking out and we are adding the numerator 3 plus 4 divided by 6 minus 1 by 6, that is C. So now first we are adding A plus B. So we are adding 3 plus 4. So we will get 7 divided by 6 plus we are adding with C, that is minus 1 by 6. Now this plus and minus will become minus. So 7 minus 1 divided by 6. So 7 minus 1 is 6 divided by 6, which is 1. So A plus B plus C is equal to 1. So from this example we can see that A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. So we can say that associative property of addition of rational numbers are satisfied. The second property is associative property of subtraction. So associative property of subtraction of rational numbers states that suppose A, B and C are rational numbers, then for subtraction A minus B minus C is equal to A minus B minus C. So we'll check this equation with an example. So consider three rational numbers A, B and C. So A as 1 by 2, B as 3 by 2 and C as 5 by 2. First we will check for A minus B minus C. So A, that is 1 by 2 minus B is 3 by 2 minus C is 5 by 2. First we will do B minus C. Since the denominator is same, we are taking the denominator 2 out. We are subtracting the numerator, that is 3 minus 5. So 3 minus 5 is minus 2 and the denominator is 2. Now we are subtracting this with A. A is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 minus minus 2 by 2. So here also the denominator 2 is common. We are taking out and then we are adding the numerators. So that is 1 minus of minus 2. 1 minus of minus will become plus. So 1 plus 2, that is 3 by 2. So this is A minus B minus C. Now we will see the right hand side. That is A minus B minus C. So first we will do A minus B, then we will subtract that with C. So A minus B. See, the denominator 2 is common, so we are taking out, we are subtracting the numerators. That is 1 minus 3 divided by 2. So 1 minus 3 is minus 2 divided by 2. We are subtracting that with c, that is 5 by 2. So the denominator 2 is common, we are taking out. Now we are subtracting the numerators, that is minus 2 minus 5. So that will become minus 7 by 2. So a minus b minus c is minus 7 by 2. So from this example, we are seeing that a minus b minus c is not equal to a minus b minus c. So we can say that associative property of subtraction of rational numbers are not satisfied. The third property is associative property of multiplication. Associative property of multiplication of rational numbers states that suppose a, b and c are rational numbers, then for multiplication a times b times c is equal to a times b times c. So we'll see this equation with an example. Consider a as 2 by 9, b as 4 by 9 and c as 1 by 9. First we'll see the left hand side, that is a times b times c. A is 2 by 9 times b is 4 by 9 times c is 1 by 9. So b times c, first we will multiply that. So b is 4 by 9, then c is 1 by 9. So we are multiplying the numerator and denominator separately. That is 4 times 1 divided by 9 times 9. So that is 4 times 1 is 4, 9 times 9 is 81. Now we are multiplying that with a, that is 2 by 9. Again we are multiplying numerator and denominator separately. So that is 2 times 4 divided by 9 times 81. So we will get the result as 8 divided by 729. That is 8 times b times c is 8 divided by 729. Now we will see the right hand side. That is a times b times c. So a is 2 by 9 times 4 by 9 times 1 by 9. First we will multiply a times b. So we are multiplying numerator and denominator separately. So that is 2 times 4 divided by 9 times 9. 2 times 4 is 8 and 9 times 9 is 81. So this result we are multiplying with c, that is 1 by 9. So again the numerator is 8 times 1 and the denominator is 8 times 81 times 9. So 1 times 8 is 8 and 81 times 9 is 729. So a times b times c is 8 divided by 729. So a times b times c is equal to a times b times c. So we can say that associative property of multiplication of rational numbers are satisfied. The next property of associative property of division. Associative property of division of rational numbers states that suppose a, b and c are rational numbers, then for division a divided by b divided by c is equal to a divided by b divided by c. So we'll check this equation with an example. So consider a as 2 by 3, b as 4 by 3 and c as 6 by 3. So first we'll see the left hand side, that is a divided by b divided by c. So a is 2 by 3 and b is 4 by 3 and c is 6 by 3. First we'll see b divided by c. So we know that division we can take it as inverse of multiplication. So I am taking b as 4 by 3 and c I am changing the division to multiplication and I am reversing the numerator and denominator. So 6 by 3 will become 3 by 6. Now I am multiplying the numerator and denominator separately. So 4 times 3 divided by 3 times 6. So 4 times 3 is 12 and 6 times 3 is 18. So 12 divided by 18. So again we have division, that is a divided by b divided by c. So this division I am changing it as inverse, that is multiplication, and reversing the numerator and denominator. So now it's 18 divided by 12. So I am multiplying the numerator and denominator. So 2 times 18 divided by 3 times 12. So 2 times 18 is 36 and 3 times 12 is 24. So I am simplifying this, I am getting 3 divided by 2. So that is a divided by b divided by c is 3 divided by 2. Now I will see the right hand side. That is a divided by b divided by c. First we will divide a divided by b, then we will divide that with c. So a divided by b is 2 divided by 3 divided by 4 by 3. So again the division I am changing it to the multiplication. So 2 divided by 3 times inversing the numerator and denominator, I will get 3 by 4. So now I am multiplying the numerator and denominator separately. So 2 times 3 divided by 3 times 4. 2 times 3 is 6 and 3 times 4 is 12. So 6 divided by 12 divided by c, that is 6 by 3. So this division I am changing it to multiplication again and inversing the numerator and denominator. So 6 by 12 times 3 divided by 6. Multiplying the numerator and denominator separately. 6 times 3 divided by 12 times 6. So 6 times 3 is 18 and 12 times 6 is 72. And if I simplify this, I'll get 1 by 4. That is A divided by B divided by C is 1 by 4. So from this example, we can say that A divided by B divided by C is not equal to A divided by B divided by C. So we can conclude that associative property of division of rational numbers are not satisfied. Now we'll summarize all the 4 operations. So associative property of addition is satisfied. Associative property of subtraction is not satisfied. Associative property of multiplication is satisfied. And associative property of division of rational numbers are not satisfied. Thank you for watching.